In this video, we will see how we can set up TRADO in our laptop and how we can install it as a web app. Simply log in with your broker credentials, and one more step I will be adding here for a smooth experience. You have to install one Microsoft app. We will be recommending one Microsoft app that you have to install. Go to Microsoft Store and simply search Powertoys. You will get one app. This is the Microsoft Powertoys app. You have to install this app. Simply click here install app. It will start downloading. It will take some time. Okay. This app we are downloading because sometimes people used to say their live LTP is not getting updated. This can happen because of broker. If you keep this terminal in background, then after some time this live LTP can stop. Like currently market is closed, it's 3:30, that's why this LTP is not updating. First we will set up Microsoft Powertoys. I'm getting one request from Microsoft, or simply click yes. Now it will start installing. My Microsoft Powertoy is now installed. Now we will change the settings of this Powertoy. Simply close this. Now open Powertoy. It's one-time installation. After that you don't have to do it again and again. Say my dashboard is open in Powertoys. It's Powertoys settings. Go to the settings and this dashboard is open. Simply turn off all of this. Simply turn it off. You don't need this all. You only need this one, always on top and awake. Now go to always on top. Okay, this one, always on top, and we will change some settings, like untick this one. Okay, and select one custom color and change this to green. Change it to green color, and thickness of pixel make it to 3. Okay, now we are ready to see the terminal. Now just open your terminal and log in with your credentials. Click anywhere in your terminal and you have to press Windows plus Control plus T. Now see this TRADO terminal is enclosed by this green color box. Okay. Now wherever you click, this terminal will not go in your background. Now you are ready to trade from this. You can install this terminal as a web app also. See here you are getting install TRADO. Simply click on install TRADO. Install it. Web app will be installed here. Here also you can log in with your broker credentials. Now you are ready to go. But before taking trades, if data is not coming here, then simply refresh it from here. Okay. And before taking trade, you always have to press Windows plus Control plus T. This green color box will appear outside of your TRADO terminal. Now this terminal will not go in background. When this TRADO terminal goes in background, on that time its processing power get closed by browser. On that time your live LTP can be stopped. This can be stopped from broker side because they used to disconnect your WebSocket. That's why you don't get this live LTP. For that we did this solution with Powertoys. One more thing you can do, like see whatever chart I'm opening, it's always on top. You can drag this, you can drag and drop this anywhere. You can make it smaller. You can drag and drop this here. But whenever you are taking trade, you have to make sure that your this TRADO terminal is always on top of your screen. And with Powertoys we can do this. In Microsoft we can set side by side also. Like simply open this in new tab, okay, and sign in with your credentials, and with your broker you can do one split also. See side by side also we have this terminal. But if you want to use this terminal on your chart also, then you can simply use this Powertoy for making this always on top. Okay. Now you can trade easily and you will not face any issue in this. and if you're facing some issue, then simply refresh it from here, it will refresh.